Hi, I'm Sarah Clark, and today we're filming our long distance endurance challenge of the C12E bus in Australia. In recent years, the Australian government has started promoting the transition from fuel-powered vehicles to zero-emission vehicles. However, given Australia's vast landscape and sparse populations, the cities often stretched over long distances, there are understandable reservations about the rollout of zero-emission vehicles. Concerns such as limited driving range, slow charging times, and short battery lifespan have captured the public interest. In this setting, can new energy vehicles showcase their capabilities to dispel public doubts and earn widespread acceptance and trust? Today, and we're doing a long distance endurance challenge in the Yutong C12E battery electric bus. We'll be heading out from Preston to travel some of the most challenging topography today: hilly roads, regional roads, highway driving and city metropolitan areas. For this challenge, I'd like to invite Paul Aldridge, technical writer, and he'll be our witness for the day. I'd also like to invite Colin Anderson from Tropic Wings. He is our customer today who will give us customer testimonial. And I'd like to invite Luke Edwards, our ZEB Product and Technologies Manager from VDI. We're also going to cover the charge port for the bus. So the current state of charge for the batteries is 100%, and we envisage that we'll be able to get it down to 0%, and we've reset the trip meter to 0. Okay, let's start the challenge. And why did you choose to purchase the C12E?
I think it still is the best on the market. It has a better finish than most of the other vehicles, and I've got to say, from the use that we've had, it's definitely proven its worth.
How has the C12E been performing in your fleet?
Very well. The drivers love driving them, the passengers enjoy the fact that they're zero emission, the fact that they're quiet. The air conditioning is obviously working very hard. They perform well in the wet. We're up and down hills, so yeah, it performs very well.
So we've just travelled across the Seacliff Bridge and we're currently at 80% battery capacity. How would you evaluate the C12E's performance?
Into the test so far, and I think it's performing quite well. We've hardly used a lot of battery power at all.
So we've just arrived at Kiama. The current state of charge is 70% and kilometres travelled is 168.4. We're going to start heading back up the hill towards Preston. Let's go. What measures has Yutong taken with the C12E to improve its drive range?
The Yutong C12E comes with a brand new battery technology called Yi. By analysing operating conditions and using big data, we've fine-tuned our highly efficient traction motor to achieve 97% efficiency. This cuts down on the energy consumption. We have also optimised energy recovery technology, regenerative braking, which converts wasted brake energy into useful power. Under standard operating conditions, it can recover up to 40% of braking energy, further lowering overall vehicle energy.
It's been a very long day, and we're currently at a state of charge of 56%, so we've been unable to run the batteries down. Now when we get back to headquarters, we'll do a quick calculation to see what our data consumption was for the day. Okay, so we've just arrived back on site at Preston's, and let's share the results of the endurance challenge. Today we achieved 285 kilometres at 50% battery charge. The energy consumption per kilometre was 0.63.
So based on the driving conditions that we threw the bus into today, we did some coastal country driving, we did some city driving beforehand, and we came back on the highway. Look, potentially this bus can achieve on these conditions today is 555. That is so impressive.
C12E long distance endurance challenge, an absolute success.
With over 1,800 Yutong buses already in operation in Australia. With its excellent performance, Yutong C12E has significantly reduced carbon emissions and noise pollution in Australia. The vehicle has accumulated a total drive range of 111,743 kilometers, equivalent to circling the Earth 3 times, saving 47,379.15 kilograms of carbon emissions. These data not only validate the performance of a single model, but also strongly support the promotion of green transportation and the achievement of sustainable development goals in Australia.